Ano ang sabi? Alright, chinek ko po itong bagong nakita ko sa VinFast dito sa kanilang showroom sa Ortigas Avenue Extension. This is the VF6. And I gotta be honest, at first glance, hindi ako masyado na-impress sa dating niya comparing it to the VF5. Pero naisip ko, ito ba'y upgrade? Well, tara pag-usapan po natin yan together with the VinFast VF6. Let's go!
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Kasi visually, kasi po para sa akin, kumpara sa VF5, the VF5 for me has more charm. Yung dating niya, compact, cute, parang may youthful look ang dating niya. Kaya dito sa video na to, let's break it down. Ano nga ba ang mas maganda na naibibigay ng VF6 and whether it's actually worth choosing over the VF5. Well, umpisahan na natin kasi obvious naman dito. Pag-usapan na natin yung design niya. Mas mature po ang look nito. Kita naman. Kita talaga yung pagka-typical crossover look niya. Malinis, modern, safe, not out of the ordinary, ibig sabihin. Well, comparing to the VF5, kasi po yung VF5 for me, it has this youthful, fun vibe to it. Quirky, compact, para bang mas nag-i-stand out siya kumpara dito. Kaya kung ikaw yung isang tao na nagko-connect sa sasakyan mo emotionally, like me, I can totally see why the VF6 might feel a little bit underwhelming siguro sa unang tingin sa kanya. Pero yun nga, looks can be deceiving because ang upgrades po nito na magbe-benefit ka, na matutuwa ka, nandun sa kanyang kaloob-looban. Pag-uusapan po natin yan. Now, sa part na to, the VF6 right here, kasi noticeable po, mas malaki siya kumpara sa VF5. At extra size means more legroom, headroom, at cargo space, syempre. Kasi yung VF5 po, it's more of a city car. Saktong-sakto siya for short rides, makikitid na daan. Pero itong VF6, it really feels like a proper daily driver. Something talaga na magagamit mo for commuting, road trips out there, or even for small family on a city like Manila. Now, pag-usapan na po natin yung power niya because malaking diferensya po sa uspeto na to yung naibibigay ng VF6. Kasi the VF5 po, okay siya. It gets the job done. Very modest niyang nagagawa yan. Pero itong VF6, more power, significant. Kasi ang acceleration po, of course, will be stronger. Mas mararamdaman mo. Andun yung confidence mo sa highway driving. And overall, it's more capable. That's it. Kung pakiramdam nyo, the VF5 will struggle in the highway, outside the city. Ito po, the VF6, no way nyong mararamdaman yan. This is an electric vehicle, so probably pinakamalaking upgrade po dito, and honestly, pinaka-importante, it gives you this much larger battery and longer range. Ito pong VF6. Ano po na ibibigay niyan in real life conditions? Well, fewer charging stops, less range anxiety, kasi range anxiety is real. Talaga nag-i-exist po siya, hindi po natin yan maayaalis. More flexibility to actually go on longer drives. Yan po ang naibibigay niya. Kasi po the VF5, talagang maganda po siya for short daily use. Pero ito po, this is where it becomes talagang yung complete EV experience, upgraded driving experience, ika nga. Pagpasok sa loob, and you'll notice na the VF6, it's more refined if you ask me. Simple pa rin, pero talagang mas refined siya. And there is a bit of that difference. Mas malaki ang infotainment screen, software layout ang ganda, advanced driver assistance features andyan, experience, it's more modern. The VF5, it's more simple. Hindi naman po masama yan, but this one right here, pakiramdam mo, ayun nga, it's a level up, upgraded experience. Now, sa ride quality naman kasi, isa po ito sa mga nag-i-stand out immediately sa kanya. Mararamdaman nyo po yan pagka ginagamit nyo na po siya. The ride is smoother at mas stable. Kita naman yung mga gulong na yan, di ba? Ang ganda, ang lalapad. Less bounce, mas planted ang pakiramdam mo, especially pagka matindihan na, yung matuli na takbuhan na. So again, andun pa rin yung concept, yung idea na VF5 is more, you can say, a city car, while the VF6 is an all-around car. Proper compact crossover vehicle. Ang ganda po nitong kulay itim. I like it. Some will be impressed with the VF5 and some definitely magagandahan po sa inaalok nitong VF6 because honestly, ang takeaway ko po dito, it's not trying to wow you na wow, talaga ang lupit mo with its personality. Kaya siguro baka mararamdaman nyo na it feels like less interesting kumpara sa VF5, pero on the other hand, it gives you more space, more power, more range, and more tech. And it's smarter and a more capable car. Now, speaking of being capable, ang tanong, capable ba ang budget ko para mabili ito? Ito po ang pricing ng VF6 ng VinFast. Pumasyal na po kayo dito sa VinFast sa kanilang dealership dito sa Cainta Rizal along Ortigas Avenue Extension. Madali lang pong makita ang kanilang showroom. Pasyal na po kayo dito at mag-test drive. Sa pagtatapos, para i-summarize to round up everything, yung VF5, it wins on charm, simplicity, fun, and that compact feel. Kaya nasa sayo ang desisyon at the end of the day. Kasi do you want something light, simple, and full of character? Or do you want something more complete, more practical, and built for everyday life? Ito po yun, the VinFast VF6. Mag-comment po kayo kung alin po mas maganda para sa inyo. Is it the VF5 or this one, the VF6? If you found some value in this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe and I'll see you on the next one.